What you can actually seconds. Then you have 3 dots under your profile picture. Here you have it. And click on pop out chat.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Money Maps. This is our official first live and आज हम बात करेंगे बैंक निफ्टी के बारे में. We will analyze Bank Nifty, what can happen in the next coming month. April May, what can happen in Bank Nifty, and we'll just talk about the bigger time frame. We'll not much talk about the scalping thing, but we will just talk about overall condition of Bank Nifty, like what can happen in next coming month. Either the market will dip or it will go up, and we'll just chat. We'll just chart the Bank Nifty. We will also look at Nifty 50. Time milega, so we will also talk about few stocks. Okay, so कुछ stocks के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. If somebody is on live, if आपके कुछ questions हैं, if you want to talk about few stocks, if you have invested in any stock and you want to give your opinion or want to get our opinion, um, write in the chat box and let's just start. Okay, so Bank Nifty. And yes, before हम ये start करें, I would, if you want daily updates, because हम रोज live आएंगे. If you want daily updates on market, Bank Nifty, indices, forex, crypto, anything, so just subscribe the channel and ring the bell icon so that whenever we are live you get the notification. ठीक है, so let's just start with the Bank Nifty first. Always हम बैंक निफ्टी पे स्टार्ट करेंगे बड़े टाइम फ्रेम से, and I'll just start charting it, and then if I find any kind of resistance या support in the market, और मुझे लगता है कि वहां से the market can reverse or anything, I'll just share it with you. So this is basically a normal chat. Also whatever I will be talking about इस chat में, this is my opinion. Okay, this is not a financial advice. This is not any kind of expert advice. I'm just sharing my opinion. मैं कहाँ पे खरीदूंगा या फिर मैं कहाँ बेच सकता हूँ या फिर मुझे क्या लगता है, basically this is my opinions. So if you want any kind of financial advice or anything like that, talk to your financial advisor. Strictly this is not a financial advice for anybody. Okay, सो बैंक निफ्टी बहुत टाइम से, अगर आप बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे देखेंगे, इट्स गोइंग अप. मतलब दिस इज क्वाइट लॉजिकल, राइट? एंड देन what can happen in the next coming future, so we will talk about our probabilities, right? Nobody can tell exactly क्या होने वाला अगले हफ्ते या फिर एक महीने बाद या फिर 2 महीने बाद या अगले 6 महीने में. Nobody can tell that. What we can do is हम अपनी प्रोबेबिलिटीज को निकाल सकते हैं, एंड वी कैन हैव टू प्रोबेबिलिटीज कि अगर ये होगा तो मैं ये करूंगा और अगर ये होगा तो मैं ये करूंगा. वी कैन हैव टू प्रोबेबिलिटीज एंड देन वी कैन नैरो इट डाउन फर्दर. ओके, सो yeah, I'll just start from the 3 months. 3 months where we can see this trending market, then I'll go to the monthly. Okay, and let's just start charting the charts. Okay, so बैंक निफ्टी में जो मंथली मूव आया था, which started this trend, the uptrend, it actually started from this candle. So I'll just mark this as my biggest trend which is available. Okay, और इसको color code करते हैं. Then I will probably go to the smaller time frame, but उससे पहले let me check हमारे पास यहाँ पर कोई resistance या support है या नहीं है. And also just for your information, I don't use any kind of indicators. So मैं जो भी करूँगा, it is all based on the data points. Okay, कोई भी indicator इसमें involved नहीं है. Okay, so इसको mark करता हूँ for my own understanding. Okay, monthly. and we will mark this. Okay. Or from my understanding, I'll just mark it as monthly support. All right. And I just mark this as the weekly support. I'll just write it. Okay. And then this is, or I'll just go to the daily time frame. Now, if you're wondering, ki I should be charting over here, right? मुझे इस एरिया में चार्ट करना चाहिए. In that case, let me tell you कि ये सारा खेल डेटा पॉइंट्स का है ना? So we have to go in the past to find the data points. So what exactly the market is telling us? Past में क्या हुआ था? Because see, even if you are trading on indicators, right? That is also same. You are basically trading on the probabilities that can occur, जो कि past में हुआ था. So basically, indicators gives you a data जो भी पास्ट में हुआ है उसको कलेक्ट करके उसका एक एवरेज आउट निकाल के इट गिव्स यू डेटा. नाउ दैट डेटा कैन बी डिलेड. सो ये बस यही एक रीजन है कि आई डोंट यूज इंडिकेटर्स, बिकॉज इंडिकेटर जो हमें बोलते हैं वो बहुत डिले होता है. इट टेक्स सम टाइम्स. सो जो इंडिकेटर जो मूव ऑलरेडी हैपन हो चुका है, जो मूव ऑलरेडी एक पंप स्टार्ट हो चुका है, इंडिकेटर उसका इंडिकेशन बहुत टाइम बाद देगा, राइट? उसमें क्या होता है ना, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम half of the move is gone. So that's the only reason I don't trade on indicators. But if you are trading on indicators और वो आपके लिए बिल्कुल ठीक चल रहा है, not a problem. It's good for you. But for me, I just personally don't like to trade on indicators. Okay. So that is the reason कि if I want my information over here कि यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, I have to go back in the past to see what exactly happened in the past on particular time frame. Okay, so I'll just continue moving up. Then I'll mark this as my trend, but I don't think so वो इतना ज़्यादा important है. Then daily पे देखते हैं what happened on the daily. Okay, so for now सिर्फ trends mark कर रहे हैं. Even if you have any questions in the future, you can write it down in the chat below. This live will be posted in the YouTube channel. So if you have any doubts, queries, questions, just write it down in the comment section and we will get back to you. Okay. Yeah. Monthly. Weekly. Yes, this is weekly. Okay. Okay. So हम यहाँ पे डेली का हाई मार्क करेंगे, right? And then we will mark out daily का low. So this is the range that we have to talk about now. Okay. We can see कि जो move है that is taking a support from the daily candles, यहाँ पर support लिया, फिर यहाँ पर support लिया, then यहाँ पर support लिया. So it's going up. Or in terms of resistance in the top, if we mark this as the resistance, um, yeah, this resistance has already been tested. So I'm not sure ये कितना ज़्यादा और hold करेगा, how much it will hold the move, but let's see. And then we will try to mark trends from the top side. Okay. So we all know that चाहे वो trend हो या फिर वो एक level हो, it's all the same, right? If on the bottom side of the chart, अगर इस side है और we are marking a level, that becomes the support, और ऊपर वाली side है where the market is coming down, that becomes the resistance. Same with the trends. For example, if you can see ये वाला जो trend है, ये इस move को बार बार hold कर रहा है, so it became the support, right? So now we have to find the resistance from the top side in the trend. Okay, so okay, over here I see something. Okay, so this is the new support. Okay, yeah. Okay, so before we go ahead, बात करते हैं इस zone की. Okay, और फिर हम निकालेंगे अपनी दो probabilities. What can happen? There is a range. This is the range that जिसको जो already एक बार test हो चुका है, and if we mark this level and this level, right? So we will see इस level के ऊपर ये वाला candle close हो चुका है, but not above this level. So यहाँ पर क्या हो सकता है ना कि if in case Bank Nifty next month क्योंकि March month is already ending, so we'll talk about next month 1 तारीख से April month. अप्रैल मंथ में क्या हो सकता है कि इफ इन केस बैंक निफ्टी इसके ऊपर आया, ओके, नाउ वी नो दैट दिस इज अ रेजिस्टेंस, बैंक निफ्टी इसके ऊपर आया, इसको इसने अटैक करा एंड देन बैंक निफ्टी नीचे जाता है, ओके, बट इसी रेंज में बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा सा होल्ड करता है, ओके, बैंक निफ्टी एक इस तरीके से ट्रेंड बनाएगा और जब वो ट्रेंड टूट जाएगा द मूव विल गो अप। नाउ यहाँ पर हमारे पास कुछ भी रेजिस्टेंस में बचा नहीं है, ओके, नथिंग दैट इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इन माई ओपिनियन, ओके, वी हैव दिस रेजिस्टेंस, मैं इसको थोड़ा डॉटेड कर देता हूँ सो दैट यू गाइस कैन अंडरस्टैंड। वी हैव दिस रेजिस्टेंस, सो बैंक निफ्टी यहाँ जाता है, इसको 48203 को अटैक करता है एंड देन इट कम्स डाउन, ओके, एंड देन स्टिल इट रिमेन्स इस वाले ट्रेंड के नीचे, ओके, इवेंचुअली थोड़ा सा आगे जाके, राइट, and if it can break it then we can see a move down in the bank nifty. But if in case, let me remove the coin, if in case bank nifty goes like this, okay, uh, attacks this level 48203, attacks this level और इसी ट्रेंड के आसपास बैंक निफ्टी घूमने लगता है, ओके, इवेंचुअली 47572 के ऊपर एक डेली क्लोज देता है, then we can expect a move up, right? And now this can again create a all-time high and it can go way up, like if you mark this over here, it can actually go approximately 52 or 53,200, something like that, okay. So those are the two probabilities, but bank nifty को एक daily close चाहिए in this range, okay, even if daily close देके ये इस वाले ये जो ट्रेंड का रेजिस्टेंस है इसके ऊपर ये हार्ड क्लोज नहीं होता है, then again we can see a dump in the bank nifty, okay. Now जैसे जैसे वो जो डेली लेवल की हमने बात करी थी, डेली ट्रेंड की जो एक रेजिस्टेंस बन के बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पे, बाय द टाइम जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता जाएगा, जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता जाएगा, that resistance will be a weekly resistance, okay, और डेली से बड़ा वीकली है, सो बैंक निफ्टी को थोड़ा मुश्किल हो सकता है इन ऑर्डर टू ब्रेक दैट वीकली रेजिस्टेंस। नाउ जब तक बैंक निफ्टी इस पर्पल लाइन जो है दिस इज द वीकली रेजिस्टेंस इसके ऊपर नहीं जाता है एंड इट स्टेज डाउन, you can see a distribution in bank nifty for a long time, okay, and that now that weekly resistance, weekly support will be created as a monthly support, which is a big thing for bank nifty. So higher chances that this was the top for the bank nifty. We have to see in the next coming days कि बैंक निफ्टी का डेली पे क्या होता है। आई मीन व्हाट इफ बैंक निफ्टी खुलता ही इसके ऊपर है, राइट, ऑन मंडे बैंक निफ्टी ओपन्स अबव दिस लेवल और this zone, then obviously we can expect all-time high again. But if bank nifty stays in this area for the longer time, eventually it's gonna drop and then there will be a distribution in the bank nifty, okay. Now on the weekly we have this support, this trend is the support. जिस दिन बैंक निफ्टी के बाहर इस सपोर्ट के बाहर एक लाल कैंडल बैंक निफ्टी का बन जाता है then that's a confirmation कि बैंक निफ्टी will be in its distribution cycle. So suppose यहाँ पे कैंडल क्लोज हुई लाल में और मूव थोड़ा ऊपर गया and then it will again start going like this, और जब ये वाला ट्रेंड टूटेगा the Bank Nifty has to attack this trend, and eventually it will be like this, thoda ditch karke, then there will be um, a distribution on one red candle will be closing this trend also, and then we can see a bigger distribution from here till here to this trend. Okay, now over here we might see some kind of pump like this, like this, like this, right? Something like this, but eventually it will be staying nearby this trend and it will break. Now once daily पे जाएंगे अगर हम, okay, so daily पे जिस दिन ये वाला trend, this daily support, let me just remove everything for your understanding, okay, जिस दिन ये वाला daily support टूटा, the next target will be this, so this will be the gap in the Bank Nifty, right? इतना बड़ा gap आएगा Bank Nifty में आराम से, okay, and at that time everybody will be um, surprised कि ये क्या हुआ, right? But then we all have seen these kind of gaps in the Bank Nifty for a few days, so that's the story for the Bank Nifty. Whatever will be happening, it will be happening in this side, at the top of Bank Nifty. Personally, if I have to take a chance for monthly expiry or a quarterly expiry or whatever it is, I can take a chance over here shorting the Bank Nifty. That's my personal opinion. I can have a small stop loss and then I can ride this move for a longer time. Okay. So that can be one of my strategy. Now, let me just remove everything again. Okay. I'll just remove everything. Okay. So if in case I enter over here nearby this trend, if in case I will take any kind of risk shorting the Bank Nifty over here somewhere, and then my stop loss will be the all-time high. And then now I'm not talking about weekly expiry. It depends on you. You can take a monthly expiry or a quarterly expiry, whatever it is. Okay. Then what will be my target? Where will be my exit? Right. So my exit, let's see where can my exit be. So again, I'll start from the very top of the time frames. I'll start from the 3 months or the monthly. Okay, and मैं देखूंगा कि मेरी proper developed range कहाँ पर है मेरे पास. Okay, so let's just start that. We'll create a trend like this, then this, then this. This is my trend. Now, if in case the move comes down, then I have to find my ranges. कि move कहाँ पर stop होगा. Okay. So monthly पे I'm not finding a very good range, but I'll just mark this for now for my own understanding. Okay. 3 months. Okay. So monthly pay, I don't have anything very strong. I mean, there is something strong, but I will not talk about it. Then I'll go to my weekly range, which is starting from here till here. Okay. This will be my weekly range. So even if I am entering over here, keeping my stop loss and analyzing my risk, then my exit will be this level over here. Okay, this will be my exit, and then I mean the exit can be far more down, but it will be wiser to get out of on the creating of this range. So this is the top of that range, so I'll just exit over here. Same thing, whatever I'm doing on the weekly, that can be done on 5 minutes, that can be done on 3 minutes, it can be done in the scalping. आपको पता होना चाहिए हाउ टू क्रिएट योर रेंज, हाउ टू क्रिएट योर कैपिटल इंजेक्शन पॉइंट, कि मूव एटलीस्ट कहाँ तक आ सकता है, सो दैट वे यू कैन हैव अ आइडिया ऑफ व्हाट कैन हैपन इन द मार्केट. ओके, so let's just suppose this is a 5 minute chart. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पे enter किया and I exited over here. Now don't expect this move to be like this. Okay, it can take some time. It can be like this, and then it can be like this, and then go up, and then eventually stays here, go like, and then it. So it's not a, the move is not like this. I mean, that can happen, but that do not happen every day. So just don't have an expectation of the move will fall down like this. If that happens, very good for me. If I take this trade, but if that doesn't happen, I have to keep an open mind कि नहीं यार, it can take a time. क्योंकि अगर move यहाँ से यहाँ पर vertical direction में आया, so why the move will come down like this? But it can, and it can also not. All right. So if you want to find your entries, first of all you need to find your ranges कि कौन सी रेंज है जो कि इस वक्त एक्टिव है. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव टू गो अ बिट ग्रीडी. जब हम ग्रीडी जाते हैं, ग्रीडी इन द टर्म्स ऑफ बाइंग, बट जब आपको बेचना है यू डोंट हैव टू बी ग्रीडी. बट व्हेनेवर यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट exiting your trade, or then you have to do not get greedy. But whenever you are trying to buy a trade, you always have to go so much greedy. So अगर मेरी वीकली रेंज यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, I will not buy it over here. I will buy if I see something specific on the top. Okay, but usually I will go more more deep in this range to buy. Okay, so for example, this level 35017, and then I can go to smaller time frames to find a really good place. Okay, then weekly, this is my weekly. I'll just mark this level so that now I have to find something inside this. ठीक है, डेली पे मैं जाऊंगा. I can mark, I'll just uh, mark my buying zone. This is the buying zone over here, right? ठीक है, then I can go more inside to find a perfect spot for my entry. So now this, I'll just mark it with some other different color. I'll just mark this. Okay. और फिर मैं थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर जाऊंगा just to check what can happen over here. And okay. All right. So अब मेरे पास ये 2-3 लेवल्स हैं जहां पर I can think to buy, right? 34,6, 38, 35,017, और डेली पे जाके देखते हैं ये किस तरीके से लगता है. So this can be my supports. This can be my buying zone. I can just move my zone like this, right? And color code it, whatever you want to. And then I can leave it for sometimes on the chart. Okay. This can be my buy zone over here. Okay. So yeah, I mean, Bank Nifty का यही है कि on the top side, it do not have so much of resistance, but this trend over here, by the time market goes in this direction, time frames भी बढ़ते जाएंगे, and then this weekly level, this weekly support, or we can say this weekly resistance can be a bigger time frame. Okay, and then for example, if on the monthly, I'll just do this Okay. For example, on the monthly, हमारा ये trend है. Okay. And then now this month is, now we see a red candle. इस green candle के बाद it means ये trend हमारा confirm हो गया. So now this is a monthly resistance, which is a big thing. So for Bank Nifty, it can be a huge resistance for the future, and it will stay under it. It might attack it again and again, but it will stay under it for a longer time. Okay. So yeah, I mean, we can also go and analyze this part, but I don't think so. There's a need to do that. But just roughly, I can tell you my opinion what can happen over here. Okay, so the day 32,842 will break. Breaking का means है um, breaking का means है कि you need to have a red candle closing below this. That day you will see a market gap from here till here. So that is a huge move for Bank Nifty. Okay. Even if we can go more further and find something else. I mean, yeah, the gap can even be like this. Now, I know this stream, not so many of people are watching this stream right now, but hopefully in the future they will see, and they might also say कि अरे क्या है यार ये तो कुछ भी बोलता है. But this is how these kind of gap happen. Even if we talk about this, you know, the COVID crash, इसकी भी एक एक्सप्लेनेशन है अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेटा पॉइंट्स कि ये क्रैश यहाँ से स्टार्ट क्यों हुआ और व्हाई वी हैड दिस काइंड ऑफ गैप इन द मार्केट. सो द सेम थिंग कैन हैपन अगेन. देयर इज नो डिनाइंग कि ये चीज नहीं होगी. इन द मार्केट एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, एंड एनीथिंग दैट हम जो इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते वो भी वो जो हम इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते वो भी हो सकता है. Right. So, yeah, that's the analysis for Bank Nifty. Now, from the coming Monday, what I'll do, we will be live every day. Usme we will not talk about the Bank Nifty or anything on a wider perspective. Usme what we'll try to do, we will try to take trades live, and then we'll just play on the smaller parts like 5 minute 15 minute, and we'll talk about the move. साथ साथ जैसे जैसे market ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, we will talk about the move in the live chat. Okay, so from Monday we will be doing that. We will be basically analyzing Bank Nifty and Nifty 50 every day. We will also be analyzing few stocks, Bitcoin, those kind of stuff. Okay, so yeah, let's just share this channel with our friends or family who are interested in trading and want to learn. Hopefully in the coming future we will also get some educational content. Right now we don't have any kind of plans for that. It's just about getting live and getting that consistency every day to come into the markets and chat with the fellow traders. Abhi to focus वही है. But yeah, follow this page, subscribe this page, share it with your friends. Okay. AB, how are you doing, Karthik? Do you analyze other stuff like gold or US 30? Also, any plans to release more educational, less educational stuff? Okay. Hi, AB. Yeah, I'm doing good, bro. Um, I can analyze gold or US 30. I have a friend जिसके साथ I do that. He is from US, so usually we do that, gold and US 30. Some other day we can also analyze that if you are trading in those. Yeah, and for now, educational content will be less on this channel. Like I told you, this is more about consistency, coming live every day so that we get better as a content creator, you can say. Right. This is the first live. I hope I'm doing good, but still. So yeah, by the time we will think about releasing educational content, but abhi there is no plans for that. We are just getting live and trading live, stuff like that. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what else. Let's see about Bitcoin. What's happening with the Bitcoin? Okay, this is Binance. This is XPT. Yeah, let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. Okay, so we all know it broke its all-time high. That is over here. But what about the biggest time frame? Over here. So we have this range, this one from here till here. Okay, I'll just remove everything for now. Okay, so we have a weekly range. I'll just mark these two levels, make it white. ठीक है, इसको white कर देते हैं. ठीक है. Yeah, AB. Yeah, I mean, we're just trying to create that consistency everyday life. So let's see how this goes. Okay. So on the Bitcoin, we can see this weekly level has been gained by this candle. Now, what about this level? Has it been gained? Okay. So 62,308 has been gained, but 6330 has not been gained yet. So I think this level becomes the polarity. Uh, 1 day left, 1 day and 16 hours left for this weekly candle. If this closes in green, I might expect Bitcoin to move a bit up unless it has something over here which can stop it. So let's see. Yeah. So this level on the white, this is stopping the move on the Bitcoin. Once it hard close above this level as a 4 hour candle, yeah, फिर it closes above this as a daily candle, then this move is gone. It will be going up, more up. Yeah. What about ETH? Okay. I see I have charted golds, but I think I don't know if this is the gold that you're talking about. But yeah. Yeah, I've charted this one, and I remember I did it for somebody else. But it was way back, way back. I think it was over here. Yeah, 23. No, yeah, it was over here. I charted it for somebody, and good move. What's happening with HDFC? Let's see. Hmm. To be honest, HDFC doesn't look good to me. Not at all. And we have this as the support 1242. But trust me, this will not hold the move. There's no, I mean, I can think about 888 or I can think about 1055. But yeah, I have doubts about this level. 1242 इसके लिए मुझे बहुत डाउट है. I don't know if, I mean, if I'm trading on HDFC, मैं इस लेवल पे तो ट्रेड बिल्कुल ही नहीं लूंगा. Yes, it can hold and it can go back, but still these level are way much safe and secure. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going through my red list. So yeah. Again, Ashok Leland. This stock, I will be looking at 146 in order to buy it. Uh, and maybe exit 165 again, something like that. Yeah. Now, this is one of the stock I have been बहुत टाइम से मैं इसको देख रहा था एंड लेट्स सी आई वांट टू सी दिस मैं इसको इस रेंज में आई वांट टू सी इट होल्ड इन दिस रेंज अगर ये यहाँ पे होल्ड करता है एंड देन ये कोई डेली या फिर वीकली लेवल बनाता है देन आई माइट थिंक अबाउट जी एंटरटेनमेंट्स और या सारा खेल पेशेंस का है ना ब्रो यू हैव टू हैव दोस पेशेंस आराम से जहाँ पे जल्दबाजी करी काम वहीं पे खराब हो जाता है now this is one of the good stock that give a huge returns, right? How much it is? 300% approximately. Zomato. Let's go to Tata Steel. Looks strong. Yeah. Achha, Tata Steel is on its all-time high. I've marked these levels, so I think these are the levels where it can go to. Levels सबके निकलेंगे, but निकलेंगे उसी के जो खड़ा रहेगा. Okay. Achha, I also charted this PayPal for somebody else. Yep. वन से 66 के ऊपर ये क्लोज हो जाता है देन दिस इज द प्रॉफिट कैप पूरा यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक यस बैंक ओके सॉरी डॉज कैन ऑल्सो गिव बहुत अच्छा खासा मूव दिया था इसने If you are following me on Twitter, I posted a chart over here somewhere that this can happen in the Dogecoin, and exactly that happened. So it started यहाँ से शुरू हुआ and then it reached to its ultimate levels. That was good. I took this trade. Okay, let's go to the Nifty 50 now. Nifty 50 looks so strong. I think on Monday it can gap up. I don't know. I have to chart it a bit. Yeah, I think that's it for this live. Saturday, the market is closed. So, yeah, from Monday, I think it will be good. We will be live. I will try to get live around 9 or 9:30 when the market opens till 2 or 3 hours next. And then, yeah, um, I hope this was good for you, educational. You got something from this stream. Thank you so much if you're here. Even if you're not here, thank you so much for upcoming future where you will be here. So yeah, thank you so much. You have a great weekend. Bye bye.